Number 19 says, in how many ways can you walk to a stairway with 7 steps if you can take 1 or 2 steps at a time? For example, it is given that there are 3 steps. So either you can take one at a time, either you can take 1 and then 2, either you can take 2 and then 1. So basically, let's generalize this value. Let xn be the number of ways to climb n steps, 1 or 2 at a time. Now let's see what happens. For x1, it means if there is only one stair, so basically what is the number of way? Of course, if he takes one step, then only he reaches to the place. If there are 2 steps, so what is the number of way? So either he can go 1 step at a time, or either he can move 2 step at a time. So basically there are 2 ways. Now for x3, they have already given there are 3 ways. Now what about x4? So if there are 4 steps, how would we go? So basically now there are 4 steps, 1 2 3 4. So what are the possible ways? Either 1 step at a time, either 2 step and then 1 step at a time, either 1 step 2 step and then 1 step at a time, either 1 and then 2 step at a time, or there can be a possibility where he climbs 2 step and 2 step consecutively. So basically the equation says, what are the ways of splitting 4 as a sum of 1 and 2? So basically there are 5 ways for it. So if we go for x5, that is if we need to climb 5 steps, so what are the possible ways? Let's see. So if we count 1 2 3 4 5, so basically 5, how can it be split up? So it can be split 1 1 1 5 ways. Matlab there are 5 steps, each taken 1 at a time. Okay, again there can be steps like 1 1 1 and then 2 step. Again this can go on to 4 ways. Why? 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, again 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, again 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. So basically these are the ways. Apart from this, there can be ways where he takes 2 steps at a time and then reach 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 1, again it can be 1 step 2 step and 1 2 1. So basically this will be 8. Now if we generalize, see x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and then goes on. x1 is 1, x2 is 2 and x3 is 3, that is 2 plus 1, that is x1 plus x2. Now x4 is 5, that is x3 plus x2. Now x5 is x4 plus x3. Why? Because x5 is 8 and x4 was what? x4 is 5 and x3 is 3. So basically this is becoming a Fibonacci sequence. Super. Now if this is becoming a Fibonacci sequence, we can write the general formula where xn will be equal to xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2. Now what we are required to find? We are required to find for 7 steps. We already know for 5. So if we go for 6, so x6 will be equal to x5 plus x4. Now what is x5? x5 is 8, x4 is 5, so therefore 13 ways. Now x7 will be 13 plus 8, that is equal to 21. So there are 21 ways in which you can climb a stair of 7 steps, taken 1 or 2 at a time. That is an elegant question. Nice.